I couldn't open the door.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh my good god.
Look at the debris coming down.
All the pieces of it. There's debris everywhere.
Wide angle.
Where? Yeah, I just saw one. There was a power flash. Listen to it. Oh man.
It's getting really big now.
Yeah.
It's huge. There you go, Dave. Look at that. Get out, get out. Are you sure? Put in manual if you need to. Hold that.